एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज का व्लॉग है हमारा मूवी नाइट इन आवर होम थिएटर। This time I am in a grocery store because I have planned to make variety of recipes for tonight to make it more wonderful. आज ना अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैंने एड्रेस में थोड़ी गड़बड़ी कर दी है, so I have reached to the store which is little far from our home. But no worries, which is done is done. Let's continue grocery. ग्रॉसरी तो क्या ही करनी, आई जस्ट फॉरगॉट द लिस्ट ऑफ ग्रॉसरी एट होम। सो अब अपनी पसंद की जल्दी से चीज़ें उठा रही हूँ। आज के दिन के 2 ब्लेंडर मैं कर चुकी हूँ, बट स्टिल आई एम होपफुल। शॉपिंग इज डन, नाउ हेडिंग टू होम। माई फर्स्ट रेसिपी इज पोटैटो पफ। इसके लिए मैंने बटर लिया है, देन एडेड वाटर, मिक्सिंग वेल एंड ब्रिंग इट टू बॉयल। नाउ एडिंग ऑल पर्पस फ्लावर एंड मिक्स फॉर 3-4 minutes until dough is formed. A thick form of dough is ready. अब मैं इसे अलग बाउल में निकाल रही हूँ and then I will mix the other ingredients. Sprinkling some salt and black pepper, then adding chopped green chili and coriander. एडिंग एग्स 1 by 1 और इसमें दरम्यान में मैं बीट करती जाऊंगी। After mixing batter properly, I am adding boiled mashed potatoes, cheddar cheese and parmesan cheese, and then combining it together. क्लिंग शीट से रैप करने के बाद कीपिंग दिस बैटर इन फ्रिज फॉर 10 minutes. बैटर इज रेडी टू फ्राई। मेरे पास 2 ऑप्शंस हैं इसको बनाने के लिए। फर्स्ट आई एम फिलिंग पाइपिंग बैग टू मेक रिंग्स और सेकेंड ऑप्शन में आई विल मेक स्मॉल बॉल्स। साइड बाय साइड आई पुट द ऑयल इन पैन टू मेक इट हॉट। With background music, my husband is also talking to me. Other than rings, आप किसी और शेप में भी इसको बना सकते हैं, like French fries in a long shape, you know. You can serve it with any sauce you like. I am taking tomato ketchup and yellow ranch. Next, I am making very easy and delicious jam heart cookies. First, after measuring, I am adding unsalted room temperature butter in a bowl, then adding powdered sugar. Here I am using hand mixer until it's nice and combined. Adding 1 egg in the batter. Batter is all mixed up. Now adding all-purpose flour, salt, baking powder in a sifter and sift together. इसको बहुत अच्छे से मिक्स कर रही हूँ टू मेक अ वेरी नाइस एंड फाइन डो। Putting all the dough on cling sheet and then kneading it properly to make a very smooth dough. इसको completely cover करके I will keep it in the fridge for 20 minutes. फ्रिज टाइम कंप्लीट होने के बाद आई एम रिमूविंग क्लिंग शीट, dusting some dry flour on surface and putting it back. With the help of rolling pin, I am making thin sheet of this dough. अब मैं हार्ट शेप कुकी कटर यूज कर रही हूँ। For round shape, I am using scoop just to scoop my dough out. Dough is very smooth and nice, making it small balls. Now gently pressing my thumb down to make an indent. I kept all the cookies in freezer for 30 minutes and here I am taking strawberry jam to fill the cookies. After blending it later, I just pop that right into the cookie. Cookies are ready to go into oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 12 to 14 minutes. Cookies are ready. They look so cute and nice. My next recipe is lemon pepper chicken skewers. सबसे पहले मैं बटर ग्लेज बना रही हूँ जो चिकन पे अप्लाई करूँगी ड्यूरिंग एयर फ्रायर. For that, I took butter, crushed red chili, black pepper, lemon juice, and chopped fresh coriander. Now mixing it well. In second step to prepare chicken skewers, I am cutting chicken thigh into small cubes. Chicken cubes को एक बॉल में डालने के बाद I am adding chopped garlic, onion powder, paprika, salt, black pepper, lemon juice, and oil. Combining all ingredients together. Then cover and keep it for 30 minutes. चिकन को वुडन स्कीवर्स पे लगाने के बाद मैं इसे एयर फ्रायर में रख रही हूँ. I will cook each side for 5 to 6 minutes. Flip and brush butter glaze in between and continue air frying for required time. Parchment paper का भी यूज कर सकते हैं एयर फ्रायर में, but I am not using it this time. Time to take them out and serve. They look very yummy and mouth-watering. Next, I am making crispy tortilla chips with salsa. I am simply cutting tortilla bread into thin slices. Then I am spreading all the slices on the board. Then brushing some oil on it. You can also use oil spray bottle for this purpose. Keeping them into air fryer for 5 to 6 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit. They are super quick, now ready to eat. Now I am making salsa and it will be ready in couple of minutes. Here in this recipe I am using 1 can of tomatoes. You can also use fresh tomatoes or both. Then I am adding half onion. Five or 6 garlic cloves and then adding 2 regular green chili. You can also use jalapenos. And then fresh coriander, almost 1 cup. In spices, adding crushed red chili, cumin powder, seasoning of salt and black pepper, and then 2 or 3 tablespoons lime juice. Very tasty and full of aroma salsa is ready. Now I'm going to dish out. I'm elevating my movie night with a concession stand idea. And concession stand is more than just a place to grab a quick bite. And of course, movie nights are staple of home entertainment where you not only watch the movie but also enjoy the snacks. ड्रिंक्स में मैं मिल्क शेक बना रही हूँ with fruits and nuts. This shake is going to be very healthy and creamy. In fruits, I am taking banana and some strawberries, and in nuts, I will take some cashews. To make it more sweetened, I am adding some honey. You can also use maple syrup. सबसे लास्ट में मैं मार्केट बेस्ड पॉपकॉर्न्स एंड पिज्ज़ा बेक कर रही हूँ. आई पुट द पॉपकॉर्न बैग इन माइक्रोवेव फॉर 2 to 3 minutes. As per my experience, popcorn should be fully popped within 2 minutes. Just taking it out and carefully opening the bag to avoid the steam, and then pouring into a serving bowl. Garden well as ticket booth. Initially I had a plan to make it with curtain or a cardboard, but suddenly an idea, a very fantastic idea in fact, came into my mind. Why not to use my well for this purpose? So I'm using it. Just to save my time, I am taking theater related items pictures from my computer. Otherwise I would love to make it myself. Very interesting thing I just want to share with all of you. मेरे पास एक वेलकम का गार्लैंड पड़ा हुआ था जिस पर सारे वेलकम के अल्फ़ाबेट्स थे. So I thought not to make a new garland for my movie night. In fact, I can reuse this one by making some changes. So I am converting these alphabets into my required alphabets by using glitter. Glitter में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है कि वो पहले कॉपर था और अब मेरे पास गोल्ड था, बट चलता है. I tried to use art supplies which were already available at home. So कुछ balloons ऐसे भी मैंने use कर लिए हैं जो मेरी anniversary के थे. So if any one of you get noticed, please ignore that.
come here and to watch movie. Movie की प्राइस आप देख ले पहले.
अच्छा. $1,000.
Affordable है.
No, I just watch newsreel.
कौन सी है? ये 3D है, ये वाली ना.
सब में 3D भी होगी, वो भी होगी.
अच्छा मिक्स ही है. फ्रोजन, वाह फ्रोजन देखते हैं
वो सही नहीं है.
नहीं तो फिर यही देखते हैं.
It's okay. It's okay.
It isn't my favorite bird. Very, very funny. Real mature.
Hey, where are you migrating to this year?
Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my today's video. If you like it, please let me know in comments. You can also share me any idea or suggestion to make a video on that. I would really love to work on it. I will see you in next video. Take care.
Balls you want. I'm protected by this magical force field called glass.